All right, problem actually solved. So let me show you. Go to home, move. I'm gonna actually move it down a little bit. Oh, no, actually, I want to. Go to move Z fast. Can you see it? Yeah. Z fast here. Actually, I will move it down, up and down, all moving. Then I'm gonna do home all here. If I do this, move all the way off and hit the switch and stop. Beautiful right now. You can see. So the problem was actually I'm also when I making design and also wiring stuff, I made sure the LCDs are facing toward me. So I always like XYZ motor. So for example, I will turn toward the camera here. So it's LCD X. This is Y. This is a Z. So XYZ. And then when I do the wiring, so I always think XYZ, and I start with X motor, X and the switch, Y motor, Y and the switch, Z motor, Z and the switch. But when I was taking the video, I put it toward the camera and then I got just confused. And then like I put the X motor and X motor and the switches was connected to Z and Y was Y, Z was X. So that's why the one stepper motor was really working well and the other one was not. So now how I resolve the issue is unplug the things and then an X1 to the X1, Y1 to the Y1, Z1 to the Z1. Now problem solved. So yeah, when something happens, that's why the testing before you assemble it is important, because I did a run through the test and like in the video it worked. So when at the last stage when that happens, I know like I know that was right, and then something just I made some mistake. So I thought like it's something. And I just kind of, go through that again, and like that was right. So, okay, problem solved. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just try to put some wire like this, and I can put some zip tie or something. Or what I'm gonna do is, okay, in this case, that's good to organize by X to X. X motor and X and the switch, Y motor, Y and the switch, Z motor and Z and the switch as well. So I'm gonna just put it like this way. It doesn't have to be so fancy. And then I'm gonna put it under between these frames. It's temporary for now, but later I can use a zip tie. Okay. Y. Oh no, it's just one Z. I mean, when you buy a printer, the cable is actually nicely organized, but this is DIY. It may not, but actually you can organize it really nicely. But now I'm gonna just put it like this way. You see it from the side, like this. Later, I will do a little better job. And this one too. Later, I'm not gonna do it right now. Wow, it's so messy. Once it's all done, what you can do? Oh, we didn't connect the the extruder yet, but then you can put the cover like this, and we need to put the bolt and T-nuts later, but again, like I designed it like this, so when you just open it, you have full access to all the circuit. Just you do need to unscrew those two, and boom, open it, done. So also the reason to place all the circuit at the top is not like the other Delta or this types of printer. Come on, autofocus. Like the nozzle, and this will be the printing area. All the electronic circuits will be stay at the top and stay away from clay or anything wet, dirt, etc. So that's why everything is at the top. So if you have the cover at the top, and it will be protected from the dust and everything else too. The next thing is maybe I'm gonna do some zip tie and make it neat. It's really up to you how you want to do it. And also like you don't have to do it, like it's working still. Then the next step will be some calibration. Because like I'm gonna actually put something here and then like move it x-axis and y-axis and everything. Then actually do some printing. Maybe before that, what I need to do is actually I'm gonna hold the camera and then go through each part so you can have some kind of reference. All right, I'm so happy it's working right now, and yeah, no, it's good, and hopefully you are following the steps, and yeah, no, this is good.